We're going home now. Hi. Hello. We're going home now. Minute.
Hi, ma'am. Boarding pass, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Sa edad ko, ganti na.
Okay, nina-stay pa mo tabi. Hindi, it's okay. Hindi ang bag ni. Hindi ba? Gak tayo kasulod.
Genau.
See ka nila. Huli na sila. See you after 2 years. 3 years?
Remix. Verpisst euch. Wahrscheinlich schon. Also.
However, please have you on board your Philippine Airlines flight period 46 pounds 4 minutes.
Geht ja der Zahntext nochmal so. Hier gibt es kein Begrüßungsgeld. Verpisst euch aus Berlin. So. Auch wenn andere Städte scheiße sind, ihr dürft mit nach Berlin. Also.
Mabuhay! We are delighted to welcome you on board Philippine Airlines. Our heartfelt thanks go to kindly request all passengers to remain in your assigned seats for the duration of this flight. If you are seated in an exit row, civil aviation regulations mandate that you read the passenger briefing card. Should you wish to be reseated,
Es gibt so eine Handvoll ganz weniger Lieder und das auch eher aus einer späteren Zeit, die ich ab und zu mal gehört habe. Ja, ich weiß nicht, meine Mutter ist ein neueres Lied.
your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push and to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seat belts are securely fastened, seat backs in upright position. Large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in your seat pockets, window shades opened, and your tray tables and footrests stowed. Once again, welcome on board Philippine Airlines.
Going home. Come to Manila.
Ja, genau. Und,
By Iloilo. Saan ka istorya?
Weil sie ginawa nito yung life.
Pugkot nanay. Uya? Uya? Kapa? Ano stop cooking?
Ang bago ng pagkaon, hindi agad malipatan.
Sino? Nene?
Oh, katka.
Row 31.
Ayan na, Tagalog na ka. Tagalog. Nandito na kami sa Manila. Ayan, Tagalog na ang aming salita. Oh, huwag kang malimot ha. Tagalog na tayo ngayon.
Pero ilang gadyo ko
Nandito na kami sa Manila.
Uy! May kasi kakaon eh. Pogi pa ni mama mo eh.
Magtagalog na kayo. Nandito na kami sa Manila. Grabe ang Welcome to Manila. Ako di ako na dahil posipos. Welcome to Manila. Ay. Hindi ka banda sa likod ko. Parang mukul kita nga apat ha. Ah. Si Inday Karayo man hindi nakita. Kaya ka sa kay Korea. Oo. Oo. Wala. Ang papel ba? Sige lang, nakapita.
Tapos masandad ako, no?
Welcome to port.
Magahit na to. Magahit na to. Magahit na.
Bungko ka der. Nihi pa kami. Huwag lang sila yan.
Kuman.
Mangihi ka? Bili na ka, Inday. Tapos ikaw duman. Ari lang bag, Inday. Hay ba ano?
Magahit. Oh. Kat.
Ay, sus. Bisa natuya gid ka mo. Darong mo dula si Inday. Darong ta tuya parang tuya gid. Kaya ko dito sila ka.
Makagtawa na di Japon day. Okay, dyan na. Isa pa. Ara, yung block. Lingin ulo ko. Ara. Ah. Apat na lang malita to, diba?
Oo, pang lima tong kayo niya.
Okay. We're done. Okay.
Pasukin naman ako ma'am, 965.
Hello po, sir. Dali.
Ano sir?
So, mas... Okay, isa pa ulit.
Smile. Smile. Okay. Ada pala dimples mo ni?
Hindi man naman po.
Wala, dimples rin. Okay.